Hi guys, it's my birthday weekend, and today I'm going to show you my birthday makeup. I'm turning 30, so I want to go all out with this look. I'm going to start with the Becca Backlight Primer and the Cover FX Rose Gold Enhancing Drops. We're just going to use a brush to buff that in so we get that really glowy skin. Next, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in Trace Leche, my favorite. And I'm going to be jumping around a lot with this makeup tutorial and just show you a few of the new things I got and have fun with it. So after we buff this in, I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. This is my basic full face makeup. The only thing I left out is Highliner because that is one of the new products I picked up for my birthday. This is the Nars Illuminating Loose Powder in Orgasm, and it's such a pretty pinkish rose color. I just fell in love with it when I saw it at the store. We're just going to buff this in onto our high points. And a little bit onto our collarbone. And lock that all in with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Okay, on to the main event, the eyes. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to take the color Tempera and blend that from lid to brow so we prep our eyelids. Then I'm going to take the color Mulberry and blend that lightly onto our brow bone. And this is going to be a very glam look, but an easy look to achieve. We're basically only using two colors here, but we're doing a lot of blending to get that darkness. Okay, now that you have that nice wash of color on the brow bone, you want to go back in with the color Mulberry and darken it up into the crease. And we're going to darken it even more using a smaller brush and getting that onto the outer corners of the eyelid. Then go back to a fluffy brush and just blend that all in so there's no harsh lines. Then just cut out your crease, making sure you're blending well to the outer corner. Then go in the color Bronze and tap that where we cut out the crease. Then go back in with the color Mulberry to make sure everything blends well. Then I went with the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Liner in Yes Way Rosé, one of my favorites, and I just outlined the crease. Make sure you let it dry before you blink. Then I took the color Tempera and highlighted under my brow bone, and blended the color Sienna on my lower lash line. Then back to Mulberry to darken up that outer corner. Then I grabbed the Urban Decay Beach palette and put the color Plunge on the inner corner of my eye. And for even more of the pop, I took the color Double Dip and tapped that lightly onto the inner corner of my eye. This is a 30th birthday look, so we need all the pop we could get. For my lower waterline, I took the Nyx Liner in white. And my upper waterline, I used the Marc Highliner in black. For mascara, I used the Tarte Gifted Mascara. Of course, we're going to go all out with the lashes today. I am using for the first time ever the Eyeris lashes, and this is in the style Sriracha. They're super wispy and soft. I'm so excited to give them a try. Love them! Okay, for lips, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Allison. And for an added pop, I'm going back in with that Nars Illuminating Powder and just dab that on the center of my pout. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.